Top 5 vitamins for superior nerve function and repair. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about something crucial for your health, keeping your nerves in top shape. If you've ever dealt with nerve pain, tingling, or numbness, you know how important it is. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 vitamins that can help repair and protect your nerves. Stay tuned to learn how these vitamins can boost your nerve health and improve your overall well-being. Let's dive in. Maintaining healthy nerves is crucial for overall well-being, as our nervous system controls everything from movement to sensory perception. When nerves are damaged, it can lead to a range of issues, including pain, numbness, and impaired function. Vitamins play a vital role in nerve repair and health, acting as essential nutrients that support nerve function, reduce inflammation, and promote regeneration. In this article, we'll explore the top 5 vitamins known for their nerve repairing properties. Understanding how these vitamins work and incorporating them into your diet can significantly enhance nerve health and prevent potential damage. Let's dive into the world of nerve-nourishing vitamins. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is a crucial nutrient for maintaining healthy nerves. It plays a significant role in energy metabolism and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Thiamine helps convert carbohydrates into energy, which is essential for nerve cells to perform optimally. Without adequate thiamine, nerve cells cannot function correctly, leading to potential damage and impaired nerve transmission. Thiamine is found in various foods, making it relatively easy to include in your diet. Rich sources of vitamin B1 include whole grains, pork, nuts, seeds, and legumes. By incorporating these foods into your meals, you can ensure a steady supply of thiamine to support your nerve health. One of the primary benefits of thiamine is its ability to prevent nerve damage. It protects the myelin sheath, a protective layer that surrounds nerve fibers, ensuring efficient signal transmission. Thiamine also helps improve overall nerve function, reducing the risk of neuropathy and related conditions. Symptoms of thiamine deficiency can be quite severe, including fatigue, irritability, muscle weakness, and nerve pain. In extreme cases, a lack of thiamine can lead to a condition known as beriberi, which affects the cardiovascular and nervous systems. Therefore, maintaining adequate levels of vitamin B1 is essential for nerve repair and overall health. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is essential for maintaining healthy nerve function and plays a pivotal role in neurotransmitter synthesis. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells, and B6 is critical in their creation and regulation. This vitamin ensures that nerve cells communicate effectively, which is crucial for both mental and physical health. Sources of vitamin B6 are plentiful and diverse, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. Foods rich in B6 include poultry, fish, potatoes, chickpeas, and bananas. Regular consumption of these foods can help maintain adequate B6 levels, supporting nerve health and overall well-being. One of the key benefits of vitamin B6 is its ability to reduce nerve pain. It aids in the production of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that regulate mood and pain perception. Additionally, B6 is involved in the formation of myelin, the protective sheath around nerves, which enhances nerve function and repair. Deficiency in vitamin B6 can lead to various health issues, including anemia, skin disorders, depression, and confusion. For nerves, specifically, a lack of B6 can result in nerve damage, characterized by symptoms like tingling, numbness, and burning sensations in the extremities. Ensuring sufficient intake of vitamin B6 is therefore vital for maintaining and repairing nerve health. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is essential for nerve health due to its role in maintaining the myelin sheath, a protective coating that surrounds and insulates nerves. This sheath is crucial for the efficient transmission of electrical impulses along nerve cells. Without adequate B12, the myelin sheath can become damaged, leading to impaired nerve function and various neurological issues. Vitamin B12 is found primarily in animal products, making it vital for those on plant-based diets to seek fortified foods or supplements. Rich dietary sources include meat, fish, dairy products, and fortified cereals. Ensuring an adequate intake of B12 can significantly support nerve health and prevent potential deficiencies. One of the primary benefits of vitamin B12 is its role in preventing nerve damage and supporting red blood cell formation, which is crucial for delivering oxygen to nerve tissues. B12 also aids in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, ensuring proper communication between nerve cells. Symptoms of B12 deficiency can be severe and include numbness and tingling in the hands and feet, balance issues, memory problems, and even mood disturbances. Chronic deficiency can lead to significant nerve damage and neurological disorders. Therefore, maintaining adequate B12 levels is critical for nerve repair, overall neurological health, and preventing serious health complications. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is well known for its role in bone health, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining and repairing nerves. This vitamin supports the health of the nervous system by promoting the survival and growth of nerve cells. It also helps modulate the immune system, which can reduce inflammation and support nerve repair. Vitamin D can be obtained from sunlight exposure, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. For those with limited sun exposure or dietary restrictions, vitamin D supplements can be an effective way to maintain adequate levels. One of the significant benefits of vitamin D is its ability to reduce nerve pain, particularly in conditions like neuropathy and multiple sclerosis. Vitamin D receptors are present in nerve cells, and adequate levels of this vitamin help to support healthy nerve function and prevent degeneration. Deficiency in vitamin D can lead to a variety of health problems, including muscle weakness, bone pain, fatigue, and mood changes such as depression. For the nervous system, a lack of vitamin D can exacerbate inflammation, leading to increased nerve pain and damage. Ensuring sufficient vitamin D levels through a combination of diet, sunlight exposure, and supplementation when necessary is vital for maintaining and repairing nerves, reducing pain, and supporting overall neurological health. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting nerve cells from damage. This vitamin helps combat oxidative stress, which can harm nerve cells and lead to various neurological issues. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin E supports the health and longevity of nerves, aiding in their repair and function. You can find vitamin E in various foods, making it relatively easy to incorporate into your diet. Rich sources include nuts, such as almonds and hazelnuts, seeds, like sunflower seeds, spinach, broccoli, and vegetable oils, such as sunflower, safflower, and wheat germ oil. Consuming these foods regularly can help ensure you get enough vitamin E to support your nerve health. One of the primary benefits of vitamin E is its ability to prevent oxidative stress, which is particularly harmful to nerve cells. By protecting these cells from damage, vitamin E supports the repair of damaged nerves and improves overall nerve function. It also helps maintain the integrity of cell membranes, which is crucial for effective nerve signaling. Deficiency in vitamin E can lead to neurological problems, including muscle weakness, vision problems, unsteady gait, and numbness. Ensuring adequate intake of vitamin E is essential for preventing these symptoms and maintaining optimal nerve health. By incorporating vitamin E-rich foods into your diet, you can protect your nerves from damage and support their repair and regeneration. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips on the top vitamins for nerve repair helpful. Remember, incorporating these vitamins into your diet can make a big difference in your nerve health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.